Now, this scenario is far too common on the roads these days. It's 5 p.m. on a weekday. People are eager to get home and spend time with their families or just enjoy the rest of their evening, and they begin to overlook common safety practice while they're driving on the road, primarily a safe following distance. The posted speed limit in this area is 70 miles an hour for normal traffic and 60 miles an hour for trucks. You'll see in the bottom left-hand corner that I'm going 63 and following the pace of traffic in front of me. Now, the average stopping distance required, according to the National Highway Transportation and Safety Administration, is in the upper right-hand corner. For a fully loaded semi weighing close to up to 80,000 pounds is about 600 feet. That semi behind me does not have that. If you ask the online professionals, they'll tell you I'm the one impeding the flow of traffic, I'm camping in the middle lane, etc., etc. The reality is that I drive with a safe following distance, so I'm not potentially posing a risk to others in front of me. Now, RCW 4661-100 explicitly states to keep right except when passing slower moving traffic, which I was in the beginning of the video, and as long as you are not impeding the flow of traffic, you do not need to yield to the right, which I'm sure this video shows exactly that. Driving is not just about yourself, and it's not about egos. Please start to drive on the road like you care about others' lives, not just your own, because quite frankly, too many fatalities happen that are 100% preventable today.